The District Administrative Court of Kyiv banned the Virginia Minister of Health of Ukraine Ulyana Suprun to work on a post. The answer the solution the court adopted in the framework of the lawsuit Igor Mosiychuk. In the text of the decree states that Ulyana Suprun prohibits any act aimed at implementing the powers of the Minister of Health of Ukraine. In a statement on the website of the court stated that when deciding, take into account the arguments of Igor Mosiychuk that Ulyana Suprun is a Ukrainian citizenship, at the same time, she is still a foreign citizenship, U.S. citizenship. First, the decision of the District Administrative Court of the Ministry of Health has called unprecedented, irresponsible and made in haste, and paralyzed the government of Ukraine and the Ministry of Health, but later removed this text from the website of the ministry. The claim of Mississippi. Suprun called another attack on the transformation of the health system. A very dangerous attack on all the changes that our team has embodied for the last time. The decree will be effective until its cancellation, and this can happen in two cases: if the district court determines that it is no longer needed, or in the case of the appeal, which may submit Suprun, said Roman Marchenko. If Suprun will sign the administrative act on the position of the head of the ministry against it, may initiate criminal proceedings under the article about the failure of judicial decisions. Members of the Cabinet of Ministers of Ukraine issued a separate statement in which he suggested that Ulyana Suprun and his team was deployed a real war for its fight against corrupt schemes. The Ukrainian government is concerned about the unprecedented pressure that is lately in a variety of ways to stop those efforts to reform the healthcare industry, which is responsible for the team of the Ministry of Health, headed the Virginia Minister Ulyana Suprun, said in a statement. There are court decisions, injustice and bias which is obvious to anyone. Such decisions society will not accept, even if they can justify the formal legal rule, has written G.N. Cox. This decision will be appealed in the prescribed manner, and if there are grounds, an appeal will be filed in the High Council of Justice, said Mr. Sonko. The minister added that during the last 2 years Suprun, with the support of Prime Minister Vladimir Groisman, has taken a number of reforms that have already led to a global qualitative changes in the healthcare system.